Hello everyone, good evening. So this is my next video for the Azure basic learnings. In this video, what I am going to teach you how you can create the SQL database resource for your Azure account. Why this is really important? Because in the real world project, there are two or many options, right? Directly you are working with the CSV files. Okay, you have CSV file you have uploaded in any of your storage account and you are doing some transformation activity, but there would be a chances like you have option to fetch the data from directly from the SQL database account. For that you must have a resource called SQL DB. So how we can do that, and it is why it is really important how while creating we have something need to care about that, what things we do not need to do while creating a SQL database account. So quickly I am starting how we can do it. So we'll come to this home page of Azure. We'll simply go to resource, create resource. Here you can type it also, but it is a general practice like whatever the famous resource that Microsoft give in the suggestion itself. So you just click on the create. Okay, initially you will see the cross mark, but you shouldn't need to worry. You have a active subscription, or without that you cannot use it. You have a resource group already present. Inside that resource group only your everything will come. If not, if you have no resource group present for your Azure, you can create it from here. And how to create resource group, if you want to know, just watch it my previous video. We need to give a database name, so I'm just giving my YouTube channel name Cloudbox. It is taking, and we do not have a server present. Everyone knows like while running the database we need a server as well, right? So we need to create a server. If it is not present, as you can see it is not present, so I need to create a server here. So I'm just giving Cloudbox server. Okay, and for that okay, let me select the different region. We are just following the South India, right? South India. Here it is saying your subscription doesn't have access to server in selected region. Nothing to worry, because it may happen if you are selecting West India. Is it allowing me? No, it is not allowing. So simply go and select the uh, US location. Okay, nothing to worry. It is very important. Here we can see the name. Okay, I'm just giving a cloud box name that is easy to remember. Password which we need to give, then we need to re-enter it again while logging into DB account. So make sure the password you type it here and confirm it. You note it down somewhere, and the password it must be remembered. So you, if you forget it, then no option to recover it. So keep in mind. Go on OK. Okay, so Cloudbox server name, it is coming, resource already present. Most important, what to use a SQL Elastic Pool. What it is? Elastic Pool provides a simple and effective, cost effective. No, we can keep it nowhere for this is most important. Compute plus storage. You do not need to go and next. You cannot do this here. If you will do it, then I will show you. Microsoft will charge like anything. Just click on configure. As a general purpose, I'm showing like I'll creating a SQL and if I'll keeping it next. That's what our habit is. So you can see this much amount you are going to cost. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Yeah, this much amount you are going to cost. Okay, so you shouldn't do this. You need to configure the database. Okay, and here you can see option general purpose scalable computer. Just select the basic one, basic for less demanding workload, and also reduce the size. We do not need 2D. I mean, 1 GB is more than enough for us. So just see the pricing here. For that 359 rupees only we are going to pay. Okay, for entire month if we are keeping this SQL resource as active. So you if just hope, like just think, if you have just make it in next, and then how much cost you have to pay. Okay, so basic thing, like by following this step you have saved this much cost. We are not talking about the organization has something other thing, but for the learning purpose you shouldn't do it like that. So just apply it here, just select the locally redundant. We have already talked what is locally redundant. Just click on next. Network setting, just next. Enable Microsoft Defender. It is, you know what is Microsoft Defender, not now. uh Not enable, will not enable it. Next tag, review pricing, we will see, right? And just go and create. If everything will be fine, then we can see our storage account got created. It's showing deployment is in progress. Let's hope it shouldn't reflect any problem here, and we would be able to create the Microsoft SQL database account for our Azure. It is looks like it will be coming. Just refresh it. Sometimes it takes 1 or 2 minutes because it is a big resource. So just go on home and we'll see it here. If it will come, then we can see it. Better to, if it is not coming here, because it's all the search will, the recent resource will come here. So we'll go to in the resource group. Still it is not coming. I guess the requirement isn't succeeded yet, but yes, it will come. But be patient, guys. It will come. Go to again resource group. Okay. Till now, what we can do? Uh, yeah, we can have to wait for the creation of the resource itself. So sometimes it's why it is taking time, guys. This shouldn't. Mhm. Sometimes it's really hard to wait. Yeah. Uh, Deployment is in still progress. It is showing. Okay. Uh, you can see these many things are going to create it. So obviously it will take time. So we should wait and. You see the importance of this resource. It is like taking time, like anything. So once it will create, then I'll show you that how we can log into our database account. Is it created or not? Yeah, thankfully server is got created, and the SQL DB also got created. Just need to refresh it 1 second. Yeah, you can see these two things we have created. We have created the server as well, and we have created the database as well. So just clicking it, and we'll go to editor mode where it is. Yeah, Cloudbox, and we need to give the password. It will fail because there's some IP configuration. It will ask like cannot open. So this is very first thing. Every time once I'm giving my passwords, it will throw error. So we need to add this IP to the firewall on the server. So once you will click it, so and just click on login. Okay, you will see